welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me for another week of CVS deals video. This is the second week of this ad cycle and we still have some deals going on. If you did not shop last week and you still have some of your coupons, most of them are still valid. You can use them again this week. Check my description box. I always leave a link to my Google Doc. That way you can see every deal I shared in this video. If you need to print it or screenshot, that way you will have something in the store to guide you. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have in this video is on 5.1 ounce Colgate toothpaste. They are part of buy two get $6 back. Pick up two at $5.39 each. Both will total $10.78. Check your app. We have a 4 off 2 coupon that will drop it down to $6.78 and you get 6 back, making them 78 cents or 39 cents each. If you used your 4 off 2 Crest digital coupon last week, I have another way you can do this deal this week. Crest toothpaste are on sale for 2 for $7.98, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. And this deal is a limit of 2. Pick up 4 for a total of $15.98. On Coupon 24 app, we have 2 coupons that attach into these 4 items. One is a 5 off 3 and another one is a $1 off. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $9.98, get 6 back because you're doing this deal twice. And that will end up making this 4 toothpaste just $3.98 or 99 cents each. My next deal is on Progresso soups. They are on sale for 2 for $5 and they are part of spend 10 get $3 back. Pick up 4 for a total of $10. Pay the 10 and get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back when you buy 3. After the Ibotta rebate and the extra care box, these 4 cans will end up costing just $6 or $1.50 each. Next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on Garnier facial care and they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 of the blackhead eliminating scrubs priced at $9.29 and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4.65. These 2 will total $13.94. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $11.94 and you get 5 back, making them $6.94 or $3.47 each. Each facial care deal I have is spend 10 get 3 back on Peach Slices acne or facial mask. Pick up the 7 count nose strip priced at $11.99. Pay the $11.99 and get 3 back, making it just $8.99. If your store follows the 98% rule, then pick up the dark spot micro darts priced at $9.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 10. Pay the $9.99 and get 3 back, making it just $6.99. The 15.5 ounce Safeguard hand soap are part of buy 2 get 6 back. There are none left at my store right now, but if you can find them, pick up 2 for a total of $10.38. Use a $1 off digital coupon and you pay $9.38, get 6 back, making them $3.38 or $1.69 each. The next deal I have is on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioners. They are on sale for $5.29 and they are on the deal of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $10.58. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.58, get 3 back, making them $4.58 or $2.29 each. Tresemme hair care are on the deal of spend 25 get 10 back. Pick up 2 Tresemme shampoo and conditioner priced at $7.99 each and 1 Tresemme shine spray priced at $8.99. These 3 will total $24.97. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $19.97 and you get 10 back, making them $9.97 or $3.32 each. If you use the Cantu egg gel, check your store and see if they have it on clearance for $7.35. Pick up 1, pay the $7.35, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, making it just $6.35. The next deal I have is on Mane and Tail shampoo and conditioner. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 priced at $6.29 and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.15. These 2 will total $9.44. Pay the $9.44 and get 4 back, making them $5.44 or $2.72 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on any Chic or Skintimate disposable razors. If you can find the Chic touch-ups, They are part of this deal, but my store only have one. They are priced at $8.59. Pick up two. With the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $4.30. The two will total $12.89. Use the $3 digital coupon and you pay $9.89. Get 3 back, making them $6.89 or $3.45 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 7 back on Nivea body wash, facial care or shave products, and I have 3 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99 each. The 2 will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and get 7 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. But if you prefer the women body wash, they are priced at $6.99. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.98. Pay the $13.98 and you get 7 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. The third option I have is to pick up 2 Nivea shave gel priced at $6.59 each. Both will total $13.18. Pay the $13.18 and you get 7 back, making them $6.18 or $3.09 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 4 back on tons of men's bath soap. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. Pick up 2 and they are priced at $6.59 each. With the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $3.95. The 2 will total $10.54. When I scan this item, the $3.50 off 2 digital coupon that is attaching to the iris spring is also attaching to these items. Using the $3.50 coupon, you will pay $7.04 and get 4 back, making them $3.04 or $1.52 each. The Iris Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash deal is still going on this week because the coupon is still valid, and they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 Iris Spring Body Wash priced at $7.49, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.75. The 2 will total $11.24. Use the $3.50 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.74 and get 3 back, making them $4.74 or $2.37 each. My store is out of the soft soap body wash, but if you can find them, pick up 2. They are priced at $6.59, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.30. The 2 will total $9.89. Use the $3.50 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.39, get 3 back, making them $3.39 or $1.70 each. If you can find the Axe body wash, they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2, price at $6.29, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.15. Both will total $9.44. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $4.44 and get 4 back, making them just 44 cents or 22 cents each. The next deal I have is on Carefree liners. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 54 count Carefree liners priced at $4.79, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.40. The 2 will total $7.19. Pay the $7.19 and get 2 back, making them $5.19 or $2.60 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 6 back on Poise pads or liners. Pick up 1 26 count Poise pad priced at $7.99 and 1 26 count Poise liner priced at $5.89. The 2 will total $13.88. Use the $2.50 off Poise digital coupon that is only working on the pad, it's not working on the liner, and it will drop it down to $11.38 and you get 6 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back on the pad, making them just $4.63 or $2.32 each. My next deal is on Pampers wipes. They are on sale for $7.49, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $14.98. Pay the $14.98 and get 5 back, making them $9.98 or $4.99 each. If you like the bonus stick mop and your store follows the 98% rule, then you can do this deal. They are on the deal of spend 20 get 10 back. Pick up 1, price at $19.99. Pay the $19.99 and you get 10 back, making it just $9.99. The next deal I have is on Total Home Dish Soap. They are part of buy 2 get 5 back. Pick up 2 dish soaps priced at $3.99 each. Both will total $7.98. Pay the $7.98 and you get 5 back, making it just $2.98 or $1.49 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on participating Lysol, Finish or Airwick products, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2-pack Airwick oil refills. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are priced at $9.49. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4.75. Both will total $14.24. We have a BOGO free coupon, but it's taking off just $7. After that coupon apply, you will pay $7.24, get 3 back, making it $4.24 or $2.12 each. The second option I have for this deal is to pick up 2 Lysol toilet bowl cleaner priced at $4.29, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.15. Both will total $6.44. Pay the $6.44 and get 3 back, making them $3.44 or $1.72 each. My next deal is spend 20 get 5 back, and I have 2 options for this deal. My first option is to pick up 2 Cottonelle 9 mega rolls bath tissue on sale for 2 for $20. Use the $1 off digital coupon and you pay $19, get 5 back, making them $14 or $7 each. The second option is to pick up 1 Viva 6 big rolls on sale for $11.99 and 2 Cottonelle wipes on sale for 2 for $9. These 3 items will total $20.99. Pay the $20.99 and get 5 back, making them $15.99 or $5.33 each. In these 2 weeks ad, we don't have the spend 30 get $10 back. What we have is spend 20 get 4 back, but we can still make something work, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Tide detergents on sale for $5.49 each, and 1 Gain fabric softener on sale for $5.49, and lastly 180 count bounce dryer sheets on sale for $5.49. These 4 items will total $21.96. Use 2 $1 off coupon for the Tide detergent, 1 from the app and 1 from Coupon 24 app, and a $1 off Gain coupon from Coupon 24 app, and another $1 off bounce coupon from Coupon 24 app. The 4 coupons will take off $4 and you pay $17.96, get 4 back, making them $13.96 or $3.49 each. The second option I have is to pick up 1 Bounty 4 double rolls on sale for $10.99 and 1 Charmin 6 mega rolls on sale for $8.99. These 2 will total $19.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20 if your store follows the 98% rule. Check Coupon 24 app. There's a $1 off coupon for the Bounty and a $1 off coupon for the Charmin. The 2 coupons will take off $2 and you pay $17.98, get 4 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. I actually do have 3 options for this deal, not 2 like I mentioned earlier on, but remember this deal is a limit of 1. The third option is to pick up 2 Bounty Essentials on sale for $10.99 each. The 2 will total $21.98. We have a $1 off coupon in our app, and you can go on Coupon 24 app and also get $1 off coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $2 and you pay $19.98, get 4 back, making them $15.98 or $7.99 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support. I really appreciate them, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.